Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. I know it's been a very long time since I've recorded a video and uploaded. I apologize for that because I was caught up a lot with all the studies and work going on side by side. Today we are here to talk about how I completed my 75 hard challenge and what are the challenges that I faced with that, and let's get started with it. This challenge was very unique to any of the other challenges that I've completed, be it pull-ups, be it skipping, be it crunches, any of the other, because this one needed a lot of dedication for the next 75 days where I couldn't eat any of my outside food, couldn't eat any of the junk, couldn't consume any sugar. Now to start with, let's talk about what is 75 hard challenge exactly and what are the rules that one needs to follow to complete this 75 hard challenge. So basically to complete this challenge you have 5 simple rules. Simple to bilkul nahi bolunga, but then there are 5 rules and you gotta adhere to it for the next 75 days if you ever choose to take this challenge up. The first rule being follow a proper diet. बाहर का खाना बंद, घर का खाना खाली खा सकते हैं आप, और कोक, पेप्सी, फैंटा, मिरिंडा सब बंद. Along with it, no alcohol, no cigarettes, nothing. So the second point being, you have to complete 2 45 minutes workout sessions every day, one of which must be outdoors or both can be outdoors. The third point being, take a progressive picture every day. A progressive picture where you can compare the first picture with the last one like I have done. The fourth point being, you have to drink a gallon of water every day. A gallon of water कितना होता है? Basically 3 लीटर पानी हर रोज पीना है, and for the next 75 days. That's one of the main reasons why my skin is becoming a little better than what it was before. It started to glow. ये तो खुद notice कर पा रहा हूँ, आपका पता नहीं, but then yeah, it started to glow. इतने से आपका चेहरा निखर के आ रहा है. Yeah, that's basically what's happening. I'm loving it by the way, and I'm continuing this to drink at least 3 liters of water every day. And the fifth and the last point being, you have to complete reading 10 pages a day, 10 pages of a novel, 10 pages of a motivational book. I'll suggest you to go for a motivational book rather than a novel because that will keep you pumped up to complete your challenge. यार आई एम अ बिग फूडी. ओके, मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली बाहर का. when we talk about biryanis, when we talk about butter chickens, when we talk about chicken masalas, I love it. Most I'm also a person जो भाई कोक दबा के पीता है. I mean, I have so much of coke जो कोई दूसरा बंदा शायद ही पीता हो. I'm rather consistent with drinking coke, Pepsi and all rather than doing exercises. But then yeah, for the 75 days, I control a lot to break out of this habit of drinking coke every day. But then yeah, I'm back at it because कल ही तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा खाया. I have had so much of food yesterday. अभी तक पचा तो है नहीं, but ठीक है. So here are the books that I've completed reading while I was on this challenge. The first one being The Alchemist. The second one being You're Too Good to Feel This Bad. This is very nice. I like this. And the third one being 48 Laws of Power, which was, it's a mixed reaction for this, but then it's good. It's very good. I will be coming up with a detailed review for all these books, but till then you gotta wait. Okay, I am proud to say that I have completed this challenge. हर एक दिन का video I have uploaded on my YouTube Shorts and also on my Insta page. So if you haven't followed me on Insta, please do so. Here is my ID. If you would love to see the challenge that I've completed day by day for the 75 days, you gotta visit my Insta page. The ID is over here, and my YouTube Shorts channel where I have uploaded every day's progression for the next 75 days. Okay, एक चीज़ मैंने अच्छी की थी, that is I had done my BMI before I started, and then I did my BMI after I completed my 75 hard challenge, and I'm proud to say that I have lost 1.5 kgs bas. And overall, the BMI calculations and all that have come up, it hasn't worked in my favor, nor has it worked against me. It's somewhat the same. ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ा है नहीं, but then overall I feel better. That's more important. अभी तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा because फर्क ज़्यादा तो पड़ा है नहीं, but then yeah, the cheeks का सारा मोटापा चले गया. But then मोटापा on my love handles, if you can see it in this picture, the love handles, it's still there. All my fat is still there. अभी भी है, पूरा का पूरा गया तो है नहीं. Despite of me following a proper diet, despite of me drinking a lot of water, despite of me working out every day, twice a day, it takes a lot of time. उतना तो बोल सकता हूँ यार. It may depend on person to person. बाकी लोग maybe they might lose faster. मेरे केस में तो है ही नहीं. See, I'm not a person who is an expert in diet, who is an expert in workouts, who is an expert in all these field of taking proper diet, क्या खाना चाहिए, कैसे खाना चाहिए. मैं उसमें एक्सपर्ट हुई नहीं. ठीक है. आई फॉलोड जो घर का खाना खा सकता हूँ मैंने वो खाया. देन आई ऑल्सो एडेड फ्यू प्रोटीन सोर्सेज इन माई डाइट. बट देन या ओवरऑल BMI में ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ा है नहीं. आई रीड आउट माई पोस्ट 75 हार्ट चैलेंज BMIs. The weight is 79 kgs, body fat is 23.2, BMI is 24.7, average age according to my BMI is 37. बुढ़ा तो लगता ही हो ही गया अभी. और arm fat is 33.3, leg fat is 23.0, trunk fat is 14.5. ठीक है, not bad so to say, not bad. But yeah, overall challenge complete करने में मज़ा आया. That's what I want. Prior to completing this challenge, I rarely had whey protein. But then for this challenge specifically, I did add whey protein. But then ऐसे problem हो गया था. I tried one whey, उसका 2 किलो मंगाया. But then the thing was, I had a huge digestion problem with that. I won't name that brand, but then I had a huge digestion problem. But then उसके बाद I added another whey which suited my body a little better, much better. This is not a promotional video, but then it's a good brand, so I would love to share it with you as well. So this is the one that I added. Now as it is one, now you'll ask me why am I doing it this way, because इसका seal तो टूटते रहता है. It's like not that one, but then इसका seal is not very good. तो इसमें मैंने अपने कपड़े सुखाने वाले क्लिप लगा दिए. Smart, I know, thanks. And yeah, so this I had added. The overall challenge was very expensive for me because मैंने एक set budget लेके चला था and it went way over the budget, and but still I have no regrets from doing it. I'll come up with another video where I talk about the specifications on what all charges that I had to bear to complete this challenge. But then overall, a good challenge. Please do visit my Insta page and my Shorts channel to watch all the videos of the 75 days that I have completed. And इतना मेहनत किया यार, थोड़ा सा like, share, subscribe कर दो. Alright, with this, I'm gonna wrap up my video. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like, share and follow me on my Insta page and subscribe to my channel. कर दे यार, दबा दे लाल वाला बटन दबा दे. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, take care and अलविदा. Bye.